This is a question from IPM Indore 2023 paper, QA section. So here, the given information is we need to find out the probability that a 3-digit number, if chosen randomly, is neither a multiple of 3 nor of 4. So first thing that we have to solve in this question is, where we have to find in this question is the number of 3-digit numbers. So if a 3-digit number is chosen at random, so the number of 3-digit numbers, that is the first thing that we require. So this is almost a general knowledge. Number of 3-digit numbers that we have is 100 to 999. So that will be 900 numbers. You can also say from 1 to 999, it is 999 numbers. And we will remove 1 to 99, these 99 numbers, because they are either 1 or 2-digit numbers. Except these, all of them are 3-digit numbers. So if I remove these 99 numbers out of these 999, I will be left with 900 numbers, right? So the number of 3-digit numbers in total is 900. Now, we need to find those numbers which are divisible by 3 or by 4. Although the question is that the number should be neither divisible by 3 nor by 4. But instead of finding this, we will find the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4, and then we will subtract those numbers out of 900. So we will be left with those numbers which are not divisible by 3 nor by 4. So what is the number of numbers divisible by 3? Number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 3. So that will be 100 to 999. So that will be 300 numbers. So how can we do that? Again, from 1 to 999, the number of numbers which are divisible by 3 will be 999 by 3. That is 333. But there are some numbers which are also divisible, which are also 1 or 2-digit numbers. And those are from 1 to 99. So what is the number of numbers from 1 to 99 which are divisible by 3? That will be 33. So number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 or the multiples of 3 will be 333 minus 33. That should be 300. So we have 300 numbers which are divisible by 3 and are of 3 digits. So I hope this part is clear. Similarly, we can find the number of numbers which are divisible by 4. Number of 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 4. So we can do the same maths again from 1 to 999. The number of numbers which are divisible by 4 will be 999 by 4. So that will be 249. So from 1 to 99, because they are 1 or 2-digit numbers, so we will remove these numbers out of the first one, out of 249. So the number of numbers which are divisible by 4 and lie from 1 to 99, that will be 24. So the required number will be 249 minus 24, that is 225. So we have 300 numbers which are divisible by 3. We have 225 numbers which are divisible by 4, right? But there are some numbers which are in both the lists. For example, 102 is divisible by 3 but not by 4. Then 105 is also divisible by 3 but not by 4. 108 is divisible by 3 as well as by 4. So 108 is a number which is counted in both the series, in this 225 and also in this 300. So because we want the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4, so we will have total numbers only when we also find those numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 4, right? So number of 3-digit numbers divisible by both 3 and 4, that means divisible by 12. So what is the number of numbers which are divisible by 12? So we can do the same maths again. From 1 to 999, the number of numbers will be 999 by 12. So that will be 83. Then from 1 to 99, the number of numbers will be 99 by 12. That will be 8. So the required number will be 83 minus 8, that is 75. So these 75 numbers are counted in both the series, in this 300 and also in this 225. So to get the exact number of numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4, so number of numbers divisible by 3 or 4 and of 3 digits. So that will be this 300, this 225, they will be added. And because we have added this 75 in both of them, we will remove it once because we cannot count a number twice. So 300 numbers which are divisible by 3, 225 numbers are divisible by 4, but there are 75 numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 4. So they were added here as well as here. So we will remove these 75 numbers once. So the number will be 450. So out of 900 numbers, 450 are the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4. So number of numbers neither divisible by 3 nor by 4. What will be that number? So out of 900, these 450 are the numbers which are divisible by 3 or 4. So remaining 450 are the number of numbers which are not divisible by 3 or 4. So the probability, required probability will be the favorable cases, which is 450, and the total cases, which is 900. So answer will be half. So answer should be option A.